Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Okay, so today which period is going on? Today subject math period is going on, and today we will do revision. Okay, we will do revision. In revision today I am going to again explain how to write numbers. Okay, many times I am explain you how to write numbers, but in this lecture once again I am teach you numbers. I am going to teach you numbers, how to write. Okay, in your exam how to write numbers. Okay, so in your revision part numbers from 1 to 30. So today we will write numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, 1 to 30. Numbers from 1 to 30. How to write? Okay, how to write numbers from 1 to 30. 30. You know about numbers from 1 to 30? So, see here. Once again I am going to teach you for your practice. Okay, so revision number 1 is numbers from 1 to 30. How to write? First, tens and ones already given in your exam. Okay, tens and ones already given. You start from that block. Starting from this column, not this column. Once again I am telling you, starting from O column. 1. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. Okay, so complete this line from 1 to 1, 0, 10. From 1 to 1, 0, 10. Like this. See here, in O column you write 1 to 9, then 1 in right T column and 0 in right O column. Tens and ones. Okay, tens and ones already given, so you start from 1 to 1, 0, 10. Now drop one line and already written here also tens and ones. Okay, already written in your paper. So you also write from this block. Here after 10, 1, 1, 11. Okay, say it right. Because counting in oral also 1 to 30, in written also 1 to 30 in oral also. So say and write. Okay. So 1, 1, 11. After 11, 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. Okay. 2 0 20. Now 11 from 20. Okay. Are you visible? 2 0 20. Okay. Here 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Are you visible? 1 0 10 at last. Okay. So this numbers from 1 to 20. Now after 20, drop one line. Tens and ones already given. Okay. So now after 20 to 1 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Okay. So numbers from 1 to 30 you write again and again for exam, because this is your revision. Revision 1 to 30 in your syllabus. In your syllabus, math. Okay, subject math. In syllabus, numbers 1 to 30. Okay, count and write. Written. Count and write and concepts. Concept, tall, short, and big and small. Okay, this is your written syllabus. And in oral, identification of shape, and counting. Counting like 1 to 30. Okay, so this is your syllabus. You know about syllabus? So on number 1, counting done. You have to practice at home from 1 to 30 in your math notebook, rough notebook and any paper. Okay, आपको 1 to 30 counting बिना देखे लिखना है. कैसा लिखना है? बिना देखे. Okay, one time you see, then next time you without see and write yourself. Okay, from 1 2 3 0 30. मामा को बोलना है आप हमको ऐसा ब्लॉक बनाकर टेंस और वंस फील करके दे दीजिए. हम लोग मन से लिखेंगे. क्या लिखना है? 1 2 3 0 30. 1 लाइन, 2 लाइन एंड 3 लाइन. 3 लाइन्स आपको लिखना है. ओके, नंबर्स लिखना है बिना देखे एंड बोलना भी है. से एंड राइट, क्योंकि ओरल में भी है 1 to 30 एंड रिटन ऑल्सो. सो से एंड राइट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 2 3 0 30. ओके, सो again we'll revise all the numbers. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. Okay, then 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 18, 18, 19, 19 and 20, 20. Then 21, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29 and last 30, 30. So like this you write the numbers in your exam also 1 to 30. Okay. Revision for numbers done. After numbers, next exercise is identification of shapes. Shapes. Okay, this is also revision. Oral. Okay, identification of shapes like this is oral. On number 1, which shape is this? Okay, this is your oral exam. So, on number 1, which shape is this? So, you tell like, on number 1, this is rectangle. You say, on number 1, this is rectangle. Okay, like this. You say like this. In your oral exam, this is your question, identification of shapes. आपको shapes को पहचानना है और उसका नेम बताना है. ओके, आपको पहले शेप को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसका नेम बताना है. तो आपको कैसे बताना है? इन इंग्लिश. On number 1, this is rectangle. What is this? This is rectangle. This is rectangle. What is this? This is rectangle. What is this? This is rectangle. What is this? This is rectangle. Okay. On number 2, what is this? On number 2, what is this? So, on number 2, this is square. On number 2, this is square. Okay, you see square? All sides are equal, and in rectangle, all sides are not equal. Okay, difference between both rectangle and square. Okay, so on number 1 rectangle is here, on number 2 square is here. Now on number 3, what is this? So on number 3, this is circle. Circle has no sides. Circle have no sides. Okay, now tell me on number 4, what is this? On number 4, what is this? So you say on number 4, this is triangle. So here we write triangle. Triangle. Okay, on number 4, what is this? So on number 4, this is triangle. तो आपको एग्जाम में ओरल एग्जाम, इन योर ओरल एग्जाम, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ शेप्स. तो आपको कैसे बोलना है? On number 1, this is rectangle. On number 2, this is square. On number 3, this is circle. On number 4, this is triangle. So this is your revision for your oral exam. Okay. Today in written, one to 30, revision for written exam 1 to 30 you have to write, and on your oral exam revision for identification of shapes like rectangle, square, circle and triangle. So both things you will prepare for your exam. 1 you write 1 to 30, okay, and in your oral shapes, okay, this is rectangle, this is square, this is circle and this is triangle. And one more thing, 1 to 30 oral also, okay, आपको सिर्फ लिखते ही नहीं बोलते भी आना चाहिए नंबर्स. ओके, लिखना भी है नंबर्स को और नंबर्स को बोलना भी है. फ्रॉम 1 2 3 0 30. ओके, सो से एंड राइट 1 to 30 in written also, 1 to 30 in oral also. Okay, so all of you write 1 to 30. Okay, all are for all compulsory for writing 1 to 30. Okay, and on take one paper and make all the shapes. Here write the names. Okay, you say and write. What do you say? This is rectangle. Okay, all of you say this is rectangle. Fold your hands and repeat after me. This is rectangle. Fold your hand and say this is rectangle. Okay, finger on your rectangle. This is square. This is square. This is circle. This is circle and this is triangle. Okay, this is triangle. So identification of shapes is like, okay, you don't say only rectangle, square. Okay, you say full sentence. Okay, and give you shape and give you shape all like this. So you say the full sentence. Okay, proper. You see, send me video, so you fold your hands and say, and you send me audio, so you say full sentence. This is rectangle, this is square, this is circle, and this is triangle. Okay. So you say the full sentence, and in counting you say full counting like 1, 0, 10. Okay, not only say 10. 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Okay, say like this. Don't say 11, 12, 13. No. This is wrong formation. You say 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. So you practice like this. Like 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. From 1 to 3, 0, 30. Okay. In 30 like you say 21, 20, not 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23. Okay. So in this lecture we'll cover 1 to 30 in written, 1 to 30 in oral. Understand? 1 to 30 in written you have to practice, 1 to 30 oral have to practice, and oral exam for shapes. So prepare for all shapes: rectangle, square, circle, and triangle. Say full sentence. This is rectangle, this is square, this is circle, and this is a triangle. Okay. Rectangle have 4 sides. Square have also 4 sides. Circle have no sides. And triangle have 3 sides. Okay. All are different. So you understand all the shapes name. You learn in your previous classes in nursery. You learn all the shapes. So this is your revision. Okay, revision again all the shapes and numbers. Okay, in written also and oral also. So now this period is over. Now we will meet next period. So till now, bye. Have a nice day and keep practice for your exam. Best of luck all of you. Okay, bye. God bless you.